Have you ever wondered how the kibble you feed your lovely dog is actually made?
Today, we're going inside a massive factory to discover the entire manufacturing process.
It all starts here. The finest raw materials, like meats and grains, arrive at the loading bay.
We begin with high-quality protein sources, including fresh chicken and beef cuts.
Next, we have essential grains, like corn and rice, which provide the necessary carbohydrates.
We also add fresh vegetables, vitamins, and minerals to ensure a complete and balanced diet.
But before processing, every single batch undergoes a strict quality check in the laboratory.
Once approved, the journey begins. Step 2 is grinding, moving materials to the milling area. The massive industrial grinders roar to life, ready to break down the tough ingredients. Inside, hammers spin at high speeds, crushing everything into a consistent, fine powder. The result is a consistent, nutrient-rich flour that forms the base of the recipe.
Step 3 is mixing. The powder travels into this massive industrial blender.
Here, giant paddles rotate continuously to ensure every nutrient is perfectly distributed.
We also inject liquid vitamins and healthy fats directly into the mix for a boost.
Now, for the magic step, extrusion. We add steam and water to start the cooking. The mixture enters the extruder, which acts like a giant, high-pressure pressure cooker.
Inside, intense heat and pressure transform the powder into a cooked, pliable dough.
This hot dough is pushed through a shaped die, giving the food its specific shape.
A high-speed rotating knife instantly slices the continuous ropes into individual pieces. And just like that, the raw mix is transformed into fresh, hot kibble, ready for drying. At this stage, the kibble is soft and contains too much moisture to be shelf-stable. To prevent spoilage and mold, the food travels through these massive industrial drying ovens. Here, warm air circulates gently around every piece, slowly removing the excess water.
This process is crucial. It locks in the nutrients and gives the kibble its signature crunchy texture.
Emerging from the dryer, the food is now crispy, lightweight, and safe from bacteria.
Before flavoring, we pass it through a vibrating shaker to remove any crumbs or irregular shapes.
Now for the tastiest part, coating. The kibble enters these large, rotating seasoning drums.
Dogs have a powerful sense of smell, so we spray healthy fats and natural flavors here.
The gentle tumbling action ensures that every single piece gets an even, delicious coating.
Finally, the food enters a cooling tunnel to bring it down to room temperature for packing.
Emerging from the cooler, the kibble is now stable, room temperature, and ready for packaging. Safety is paramount. X-ray machines and metal detectors scan every single kibble piece. We use high-precision multi-head weighers to measure the exact amount of food for each bag. The packaging machine forms the bag from a roll of high-quality, barrier-proof material. In a split second, the measured portion drops into the open bag with perfect timing. Heat jaws instantly seal the top of the bag, locking in the freshness and aroma. Each bag rides the conveyor to a check weigher, rejecting any bag that isn't perfect.
At the end of the line, robotic arms stack the heavy bags onto pallets with tireless precision.
The pallet is wrapped tightly in plastic film to keep the stack stable during shipping.
Forklifts move the finished pallets to our massive warehouse, ready to be shipped to stores.
We keep a retention sample from every single batch produced for the entire shelf life.
But manufacturing is only half the story. The science behind the formula is critical.
The high protein content supports lean muscle mass and keeps dogs active and strong. Omega fat acids from the added oils ensure a shiny coat and healthy skin.
The specific texture and shape help reduce tartar buildup by mechanically cleaning teeth.
Before hitting the market, we conduct taste tests to ensure dogs actually love the flavor.
We are also committed to the planet, using sustainable sourcing and recyclable packaging.
Once approved and packed, the pallets are loaded onto our distribution fleet.
From the factory, these trucks travel hundreds of miles to distribution centers and stores.
Finally, the product arrives at your local pet shop, fresh and ready for your furry friend.
You can find it easily in the aisle, recognizable by our distinct, high-quality packaging.
Pet owners choose this brand because they trust the rigorous process we've just shown you.
It's more than just food. It's a commitment to their long-term health and happiness. Back home, the excitement begins the moment that familiar bag walks through the door.
Opening the fresh seal releases a rich aroma that dogs instinctively love.
Serving the right amount is easy, providing a complete and balanced meal in every bowl.
Watching them enjoy their meal with such gusto is the ultimate reward for our hard work.
A full belly means a happy, content, and energetic dog ready for their next adventure.
From raw ingredients to the final crunch, quality nutrition is our top priority every step of the way.
But one size doesn't fit all. We create specialized formulas for puppies, adults, and seniors. We adjust the kibble size and shape to fit the jaw size and chewing habits of every breed.
Puppy recipes are packed with extra protein and healthy fats to fuel their rapid growth spurts.
For our seniors, we add glucosamine and chondroitin to support aging joints and mobility.
Back at the plant, sanitation is key. We perform deep cleaning cycles to prevent any contamination.
Microbiologists test specifically for pathogens like salmonella to ensure the food is 100% safe.
We also treat and recycle our water, minimizing our environmental footprint on the local community.
We believe every dog deserves a good meal. That's why we donate thousands of meals to shelters.
This food supports rescue dogs while they wait for their forever homes.
Seeing these rescue dogs get the nutrition they need to recover is the best part of our job.
Behind every bag is a team of passionate pet lovers dedicated to excellence.
We never stop improving, constantly researching new ways to boost pet health and longevity.
From the finest raw ingredients to the final crunch, quality is guaranteed in every bite.
Give your best friend the healthy, happy, and active life they truly deserve.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more factory insights.